In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch account in Canva. To switch between multiple accounts in Canva is super easy. First of all, open your Canva application on your mobile device and log into your account. You can also go to the Canva website on your browser and log in. Once you're logged into the main homepage of Canva, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the menu section, tap on your username at the top and then go to Accounts tab. Inside the Accounts tab, you will be able to see all of your accounts. Go ahead and select one of the accounts you'd like to switch to, and you will then be able to switch between a different account on Canva. You may need to enter the credential for the different account you want to switch to, which can be an email, password, Google or Facebook login depending upon your setup. Once you do that, you will be switched to the new account and can access your design and settings. So that is how you can easily switch between multiple accounts in Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.